guys, Mehul here back again with another new video. And in my channel, I have already talked about a lot of, not a lot of, but a couple of uh, like background separator, like background remover already that all of them are AI based. But I have never talked about image upscalers. Now, Unmesh Dinda from Pixin Perfect already has a big video about an in detail video about all of the image upscaler that he can find out that work great. And to be honest, I haven't seen any of the image upscaler yet which works great for free. So that's why I haven't uploaded something yet for that. But today I have found something that with which I am quite satisfied, and it's also free. So it will not give you service like a paid app, but it will obviously give you something. So that's why I am showing it to you today. So let's just watch it. So here is our today's site, that is IMG Upscaler, image upscaler. And here you can upscale PNG and JPG formats. So none of the other formats, but yes, PNG and JPG format works great. So here you can upload, upgrade means upscale all of the PNG and uh, obviously JPG formats. Why I am repeating this line again and again? But whatever, sorry. And it really works, and it's simple, and as of now it's free. You just have to drag and drop your image, or you can click here and it will let you select from your device, and that's it. And it will obviously upscale your image, as I have already tried one sample, but I will show that to you later. First, let's see the samples that they have provided. So those are some of the upscale. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not. I will obviously give you the link, or then you can visit it and see that how it's working. But in those results, they have done pretty much great job. But all of the sites provide some images like this, that where they have done some of the reference images previously. But in later cases, most of them uh, most of them are totally like bogus. There is no actual quality in it. I have tried many of them, but nope, none of the free works. And rather than that, they have the bulk image upscale. Like in image upscaler, this is for the image upscaling, just for image upscaling, and image larger is just for enlarging the image. All in one photo AI solution provider and focus on video camera. They are actually providing two of the services. That's what they are saying here. And here you can see one of some other examples also. And if you hover over them, they will show you the degraded quality, and if you don't, like in normal position, they will show you the upscale property. So yep, here are all of those. Now let's see which photo I have upscaled. So if I click on download, it will basically create another window for me. And here, if I zoom in, you can see obviously it has upscaled. Because how am I deciding it? I can see it from here. At first it was a like more blurrish. Okay, now it has more definition, as you can see it here. As rather than that, in those areas also, like, let me show you other areas. Here you can see those areas. In those areas were a little bit blurred out green, but yep, now it is okay. So obviously it is a good going for me. Like, obviously it will get a green tick from my side, because it's usable, it's fairly usable, and it's doing quite great job. Not super great, but quite great job. Like, uh, uh thing that we Bengalis say a lot. Not all of the Bengalis say, but with Bengalis just for fun say this, that is cholebel. So obviously it is cholebel. So that's it for this video. Please visit this site. I know you may have a lot of pictures to upscale it, no problem here. And that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, web apps like this, or anything else, any other resources, please let me know about all of them in the comment section, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So that's it. Bye for now.